Good morning, students. Today we will start new lesson, chapter number 4, Basic Geometrical Ideas. Let's see first what is geometry. Geometry is a branch of mathematics and it is a mathematical study of different shapes, size, space and etc. such as a square, triangle, circles, 2D and 3-dimensional shapes. This geometry focused to measurement and relationship of lines, angles, surface and etc. Let's learn what is basic geometrical ideas and which point we will learn in this chapter. Okay, now students, observe this figure and answer my question. What kind of surface do we need for making such a type of rangoli? Obviously, for such a type of rangoli, we will need a plane surface. Observe this surface. Is it a plane? Yes. So this type of rangoli, we will need plane surface. Now the second question. Would it be possible to make rangoli on scooter on an elephant's back? No, because to draw this rangoli, we need plane surface, and scooter and elephant's back, are they plane? No, they are curved shapes. That's why we cannot draw this type of rangoli on scooter and on elephant's back. Now, tell me, what did you do in order to complete the rangoli for such a type of rangoli? See, first you will draw dots. Next, you will draw lines. Then you will make some different shapes by using these dots, and at the last you will fill these shapes with the different colors. What you will do first, you will draw such a types of dots. Now our first point is point that we will learn in this topic. We will learn what is point. Point is nothing but a tiny dot. Point is nothing but a tiny dot. What is this? It is a tiny dot, and this tiny dot is known as point. Now to draw this point, we use pen or sharp tip of the pencil. हम पॉइंट ड्रॉ करने के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं? आइदर वी यूज पेन और शार्प पेंसिल. जो पेंसिल शार्प होती है वही हम यूज करते हैं. अगर ब्लैक बोर्ड पे ड्रॉ करना है तो हमें पेन यूज कर सकते या फिर चॉक यूज कर सकते. सो टू ड्रॉ पॉइंट वी यूज पेन और शार्प टिप ऑफ द पेंसिल. अ टाइनी डॉट इज कॉल्ड पॉइंट. Now, how do we read this point? See, to show the point, we use always capital letters. To show the point, we use always capital letter. And how to read this point? Point A, point B, or point T. This is how we read the points. Now, the next topic is line segment. Next one is line segment. Now, how to draw this line segment? To draw this line segment, we have to take 2 points. It is point A and it is point B. Here I take 2 points, point A and point B. Now, we have to join these 2 points by using scale. It is a straight line connecting point A and connecting point B. This point A and point B, these are the two end points. When we join these two end points by a straight line, that is called line segment. Observe, this line segment has two endpoints, point A and point B. When line segment has two endpoints, this line segment cannot be extend. Extend मतलब ऐसे एक्सटेंड नहीं हो सकती, बिकॉज इसके दोनों एंड पॉइंट है. जब एंड पॉइंट होते हैं तो कभी वो कनेक्ट हो सकते, कभी वो एक्सटेंड हो सकती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट इज ओपन, यहाँ पे एक एंड पॉइंट है और यहाँ पे भी एक एंड पॉइंट है, तो ये दोनों साइड से एक्सटेंड हो सकती है? नहीं. इट इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन एंड इट हैज अ टू एंड पॉइंट. दोनों साइड में क्या है? एंड पॉइंट है, तो ये एक्सटेंड हो सकता है? नहीं. सो वी कैन से इट इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ लाइन सेगमेंट. यस, बिकॉज इट इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन एंड इट हैज two end point. Now there are some points to remember about the line segment. That is, line segment cannot be extend. Line segment cannot be extend. And second point, this line segment is denoted by like this, AB line segment. It is the symbol of line segment. So line segment is denoted as like this or like this. This is a way to denote the line segment. These 2 points are very important. The third point is line. Now tell me, what is this? It is line segment because it has 2 end point. If I show arrow on both sides, when I show arrow on both sides, it is called line. Now what is the definition of line? A straight one-dimensional figure and it can be extended. जब लाइन को दोनों साइड से एरो होता है तब वो क्या होता है? एक्सटेंड हो सकता है. वो क्या होता है? एक्सटेंड होता है. When we have arrow on both sides, it can be extended. That is called line. अभी आप देखो, आप कहीं भी घूमने के लिए जाते तो आपको बोर्ड दिखाई देता है 52 किलोमीटर सिन्नर, 200 किलोमीटर मुंबई एंड ऑल. तो जब आपको बोर्ड दिखाई देता है तो बोर्ड पे वो ऐसे एरोज होते हैं, ऐसे एरोज होते हैं. तो उस पे क्या दिखाई होता है? ये साइड जा रहे हो और ये साइड जा रहे हो, मतलब 200 किलोमीटर टुवर्ड्स द मुंबई. तो इसका मतलब ऐसे होता है कि यहाँ पे मुंबई है नहीं, यहाँ से मतलब आप 200 किलोमीटर और आगे जाओ. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? ये दिखाते हैं कि ये एक्सटेंड हो रहा है, रोड आपका और आगे जा रहा है और आगे जाने के बाद आपको मुंबई आएगा. सो व्हाट डज इट मीन? व्हाट दिस एरो शोज कि लाइन एक्सटेंड होती है. When this arrow shows on both sides, it means this line can be extended from the both side and it is called line. Now there are also some points to remember. The first point is this line can be extended. Extended from both sides. Extend from both side. Now the second point is this line can contain a number of points. For example, it is our line. This line can contain number of points. Point A, point B, point C, point D. अब जितने चाहे उतने नंबर आप लाइन पे ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. The next is this line is denoted by like this. It is a symbol of line. तो अब जब लाइन दिखाते हो, लाइन AB, AB के ऊपर लाइन का सिंबल शो करना है. इट इज अ present. This is how we denote the line. The next point is we can show or sometime line denoted by small letters. हम बहुत बार लाइन को क्या स्मॉल लेटर्स यूज करके डिनोट कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट इज अ लाइन, we can use this small l and we can say it is a line L, or else we can say it is line L. Sometimes we use small letters to show this line. And one more thing, this line segment is a part of the line. line segment क्या होता है? line का part होता है. How? अगर आपने ये arrow को हटा दिया, only observe from this point to this point. Is it a line segment? Yes. So this line segment is also part of the line.